Alright, we're going to do a little bash. Typhon, Talion 2. This one's got M2C pillow balls, M2C hinge pins, M2C droop screws. I just put in a Voltage Hobbies, Arrma bar, M2C chassis, M2C motor mount. So it's pretty M2C'd out. Robert, you're going to drive the Typhon the first time, right? Are you ready? Let's see what happens here, huh? Want me to help set you up? Whoa! Want me to help set you up? Let go! You flipped over top of me. That was hilarious. That was funny. Try to keep it, yeah, on the grass. I certainly did get that on camera. Try to keep it on the grass, all right? As long as there's no cars coming, you can go on the street, but see, we don't know when cars are coming out and stuff. Easy backflip. Oh, you nailed it. Thought I'd throw the Truggy tires on this for something a little different. Truggy tires are good on the street. These have small pins, so they're not great in the grass. I think they're more dirt tires. But hammer it. Oh! Oh! Hit it! Oh! Let it go. Well, hit the gas. Good job. Good job. You dug up the grass a little bit, but I think you're good. All right, watch out for people. That's why we built this ramp. Don't need a big run up. Nice jump! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Please don't destroy Daddy's car. Gas! Oh, stop, stop. Go, yep. Nice, nice! That was a really good one. Whoa, 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 coming at Daddy. Beautiful. Gas, 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 let off. Nice, nice. That was awesome. That was awesome. Gas, gas, gas. Nice. Hey, that was perfect. That was perfect. That's how you do it. All right, let's park her. This is a perfect run. You nailed it.
Freighter.
Typhon. 5-year-old tough.